we move ahead to what is happening. Poll season is around the corner, but no progress in alliance talks with Congress. The Aam Aadmi Party has announced 20 candidates for the upcoming Haryana elections. The move signals Aam Aadmi Party's intent to contest the polls independently as a party gears up for significant electoral battle in the state. That is right, viewers. And we have Lalit joining us live. Let's go to Lalit, my colleague, joining us live. Lalit, you know, we were talking about yesterday that the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party are very likely to forge an alliance. But we also told our viewers that there has been a lot of issues between both of them over seat sharing formula. What's the latest? Have they been able to come to a seat sharing formula or not?
It seems now both the alliance of both the parties, the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, have ended into a deadlock end. And the way yesterday, now the Aam Aadmi Party have released the list of 20 candidates. It seems that now the much awaited alliance is no more in the picture. So Aam Aadmi Party has already released the list of 20 candidates, while if we talk about the grand old party, Congress, they were very much adamant about the fact that they just only wanted to give 3 seats as per the sources, what we have got to know from the Congress insiders. And if we overall talk about the theory in which the talks was going on, the Aam Aadmi Party was demanding around 10 seats, but later they came back to 5 seats. But Congress was not giving even 3 seats to Aam Aadmi Party. One thing more, the seats which the Congress was giving to the Aam Aadmi Party was the stronghold of the BJP, and that was the only reason that there was a disagreement between the alliance. There were talks between Raghav Chadha and Deepak Babaria. But if you overall talk about the Congress stance over the alliance, they were very much adamant. And the local leaders, especially if you talk about the stronghold of the Haryana Congress, Bhupender Singh Hooda, who is the leader of opposition and the CLP leader, was not keen to give seats to the Aam Aadmi Party, as there has been a lot of anti-incumbency in Haryana against the BJP. So the message which was conveyed to the leadership in Congress was that they were very much confident to fight the election alone. And that was the only reason that the seat sharing formula between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress did not materialize, and it ended into a dead end. So now it seems that there would be no alliance, as already the Aam Aadmi Party have released the list of 20 candidates, in which Congress has already listed around 12 candidates. So it seems now there would be no alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. One thing more, if we overall talk about Rahul Gandhi was very much keen to have an alliance, and regarding that already there were several rounds of meeting between Raghav Chadha and Deepak Babaria. But the way yesterday the statement was being exchanged by Sushil Gupta, who is in charge of Aam Aadmi Party now, Aam Aadmi Party would be contesting the elections independently. In the first list of 20 candidates, Anurag Dhanda, who has been the vice president of the Aam Aadmi Party of the Haryana unit, would be contesting from Kalayat seat. So now, if we overall talk about for the assembly polls, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party would be fighting the elections alone and independently. Well, back to the studio.
Well, Lalit, just one short question to you. We saw that Manish Sisodia said yesterday about these talks, about the seat sharing formula and the alliance between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, that baat nahi bani. So the Aam Aadmi Party is openly saying that there has been no headway when it comes to seat sharing and alliance with the Congress. But has the Congress commented on this? Has the Congress officially come out and spoken about the seat sharing difficulties with the Aam Aadmi Party?
We talked to the Congress top sources, but if we overall talk about, no formal statement has been given by any Congress big leaders. And Deepak Babaria, who is in charge of the Haryana unit, we had a word with him yesterday. He was unwell and he has been admitted in the hospital. So no official statement has been given by the Congress. as it would affect the India alliance. So it was somehow the semi-final for the Delhi elections, but now it hasn't materialized. Aam Aadmi Party has already released a list of 20 seats. Congress is somehow trying to avoid giving statement. But yesterday, the way Sushil Gupta, who is the in charge, has given the statement, the way Manish Sisodia has given the statement, now it seems that both Aam Aadmi Party and Congress will contest the election alone and independently. Congress was very much adamant by the fact they don't want to give more than 3 seats. Somehow, when there was talks, it ended into 5 seats, but the seats which Congress was giving to Aam Aadmi Party has been the stronghold of BJP. So that's the only
Right.
reason that the seat sharing formula did not materialize in Haryana.
All right, thank you, Lalit, for getting us all those details. It looks like that the talks between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party on seat sharing are on the pause as of now. No consensus between both of them.